Now I see what Tita T is talking about. I mean, look at this view. I have to admit, it was a bit of a challenge finding the perfect place to stay in Cebu. But I've been hearing a lot about Tita T from my friends and how she recommended this one hotel that's perfect if you're planning to indulge in good food and a relaxing view of the city. I just knew I had to check it out. Polo Plaza Cebu holds a special place in the Cebuanos' hearts. It has become a well-loved landmark known previously as the Cebu Plaza Hotel and has welcomed countless guests and grand occasions. Like a queen, Polo Plaza Cebu knows how to make an impression, holding court at Nivelle Hills. The sweeping mountain and the city views are to die for.
As you may know, Polo Plaza is Cebu's finest hotel. In our history, we're probably most famous for our food and beverage. We have award-winning restaurants from Marco Polo Cafe, our cafe, Cafe Marco, to the Blue Bar and Grill, to our brand new Haishan Lu Chinese Cantonese restaurant. In Cafe Marco, we have the best premium buffet in Cebu. It's a fantastic assortment of international cuisine, local cuisine, as well as Asian cuisine. We also are very famous for our 3 desserts, which is our mango cheesecake, our malicious cookies, and our ensaimada. Those 3 are perennial winners. In fact, the malicious cookie now has won 4 years in a row. So I'd really like to take this opportunity to welcome all the Traveloka guests to come and stay at the Polo Plaza, enjoy our hotel, and enjoy your visit to Cebu, which is probably one of the most iconic islands in the Philippines.
This hotel is amazing! It has the view, the food, the great amenities. So guys, if you're planning to go to Cebu soon, take it from Tita T and book your stay at Polo Plaza Cebu with the Traveloka app. Just tap on the hotel icon, click on your preferred date, and choose the type of room you'd like to stay in. They even have multiple payment options and 24/7 customer support. And that's it. It's that easy. Polo Plaza Cebu truly brings out the city's unique charm and rich storied history. It's a place that blends then and now and gives you a fresh perspective on what the future can bring. With their award-winning restaurants, cozy rooms, and breathtaking views, you're sure to feel like royalty in the Queen City of the South. Get a fresh take with Traveloka.